Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your account details and connections so steps work. Confirm your phone number and SIM are active, and set device time to automatic so tokens match. Once done, force stop WhatsApp and clear cache in settings to remove stale data, then relaunch. If still blocked, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a new network handshake. These moves reboot the app and network state, which fixes most immediate service status errors. Now you tackle deeper network and permission causes. Reset network settings or renew your DHCP lease to clear routing issues, then test on a different SSID or 4G/5G to isolate network-level blocks. Make sure WhatsApp has storage, contacts, phone, and notification permissions enabled so background services run properly. If the problem persists, update the app from the official store, and if needed, reinstall after backing up chats. This replaces corrupted binaries and ensures a clean service restart without losing important messages. Finish by confirming external causes and escalating if necessary. First, check for region-wide outages or social updates indicating server problems. If widespread, wait and monitor. Next, verify your account isn't banned or flagged. Open WhatsApp support, gather app logs, and contact support with precise timestamps and device info. If support can't help, perform a final network reset or ask your carrier about port or IP blocks that prevent WhatsApp from reaching its servers. If all else fails, escalate through official support channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.